Hi, my name is Cyrus from SY Electronics. I'm the CEO. Welcome to ISE 2023. Today we are presenting these keypad switches. These are KC range, and also we've got smaller ones called KCS. They come in all various shapes, sizes, with volume control or without volume control, with Ethernet connectivity, with RS-232 connectivity. Very powerful products, fully programmable. Every button can be programmed, and a whole range of control and controllability for AV and any other sort of equipment that you want to control. Please visit our site at sy.uk and have a look at our range.